packaging and storage of finished product. For packaging of finished baked products, a method called modified atmosphere packaging (MAP) is used. The gases used in the method are carbon dioxide and nitrogen that increase the shelf life of the products. After the baked product is ready, it is packaged and stored. Baked products continue to lose moisture and starts setting as time passes. Hence, it is important to cool baked products in the right way before it is packed. This ensures that baked products have a long shelf life. During the cooling process, the humidity of the cooling atmosphere must be controlled. There are two types of cooling systems that have to be followed. They are atmospheric multi-tier conveyor cooling. The products from the oven band travel on a canvas web having single, double, or three tiers. They are cooled slowly by the surrounding atmosphere. Forced draft cooling conveyor cooling. In this process, filtered air is blown against the direction of product coming out of the oven on the cooling conveyor. This ensures cooling of products faster than the atmospheric type. The materials used to contain, protect, and handle the delivery and preservation of finished goods from the manufacturer to the user is called packaging material. Materials used for packing baked products are selected if they protect from foreign odor, contamination, heat and moisture, protect from mechanical damage, help in easy handling of products, are easy to carry, increase or maintain products' shelf life, follow legal compliance for values and ingredients for consumers. Packaging is basically categorized into primary packaging and secondary packaging. Primary packaging. It is the packaging that comes in direct contact with the product. Wax-coated or laminated Bob film paper is used. Example, bread and bun packaging is generally made of a base-coated paraffin wax. Secondary packaging. It is the packaging that is used for transportation, warehouse storage, handling. Cardboard boxes, CBB made of craft papers, tins are used often. Example, plastic crates that contain breads and buns.